How to restrict someone on Messenger. This tutorial shows you how to limit someone's access to your Messenger without them knowing. First, open the Messenger app on your Android device. After that, go to the chat of the person you want to restrict. From there, tap on their name at the top of the conversation to open their chat settings. At this point, scroll down until you reach the Privacy and Support section. In the next step, tap on Restrict under that section. Following this, a prompt will appear explaining what restricting does. Tap Restrict again to confirm. Once you restrict someone, their messages will be moved to your message requests instead of your main inbox, and they won't be able to see when you've read their messages. They also won't know that you've restricted them, so everything looks normal on their end. And that's it. If this Messenger guide helped you control who can interact with you on the app, give it a like, subscribe for more Messenger tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.